Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your screen go infinite timeout on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So if we go to settings, scroll down a bit and go to display, and then scroll down again, screen timeout. The maximum timeout is 10 minutes, but I'm gonna show you how to do that for infinite. So we need to go to Google Play Store, search for an app and find an app called Caffeine, like this, and it's this app. Now install, open, don't show again, timeout, and from here you'll be able to choose how much time it will take to make your screen go timeout. So make sure it's infinite if you want it for infinite. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.